Barcelona star Lamine Yamal has spoken out for the first time about the August 2020 knife attack on his father, Munir Nasraoui, revealing that his family forced him to stay at home to prevent him from running to the scene of the attack. Yamal, 18, detailed the horrific incident during an appearance on the Renault Nancha de Corazon podcast. "I was in the car with my uncle Moha, and we had the car stereo on. Then a relative in Morocco called me. She said, 'Are you alone?' And she told me what had happened, and other calls followed. I was 16 at the time," he added. "I immediately tried to get on the train to Mataró. It's like telling children that their father had been stabbed. I tried to leave, but my uncle wouldn't let me. They forced me to stay at home and I tried to escape." The incident took place in the city of Mataró, where Yamal's father lives, and was said to have stemmed from an argument. His father was stabbed twice and was discharged from hospital 3 days later, in good health, despite the serious condition. Yamal played in Barcelona's 2-1 La Liga win over Valencia a few days later, assisting a goal. "The next day I went to the hospital with my father. When I saw him and my grandmother resting at home, I felt that this was the best thing a child could want," Yamal concluded.